Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to allow camera access to Snapchat. For example, if you open Snapchat and it always asks you to allow the permission and you have to manually turn on the permission, then I will tell you how you can fix that. If you are using Android device or iOS device, the method is same. First of all, what you have to do, if you are iOS user, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to App Store and you have to open the setting of Snapchat. If you are Android user, you have to simply press and hold your app, and after that here you have to click on app info, and here your app setting will be open, and here you have to look for the permissions of your app. And in iOS devices you have to do the same, and in permission you have to check whether you have allowed the camera permission to Snapchat or not, because Snapchat is a camera app and you have to allow the camera permission must to work for the Snapchat. If you not allow Snapchat camera access, then it will not be open. So that's why when you open the Snapchat, it always asks you permission of the camera. If you not allow the camera access to Snapchat, then it will not be open. So you have to make sure that you have allowed access to camera to Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.